Before the intrusion of Aryan and Islams, India had a golden history. Hi dear artists, dear art students, dear art lovers. Welcome to this video. I am sculptor Guru Prasad Ayyappan. Today I discuss here the 64 art form in Indian art theory. Which are the 64 art forms? Before I say about the 64 art forms, you have to know and understand the real Indian history. Thousands of years ago, before the intrusion of Aryan and Islams, India had a golden history. Indus Valley civilization is one of the best examples. Along with the Indus Valley civilization, here in Indian reverse bank, we had many other civilizations. The civilization start from the period of Lemuria continent period. The time of civilization was calculated by carbon dating. Many evidence from all over the India were collected through the excavation. The evidence shows the good Indian knowledge of art and science of Dravidian culture. Art and science are the backbone of any civilization. At the time of India is known as the land of knowledge. Many people from other countries came to India for studying art and science subject. After many hundreds of years, India established 16 international universities in all over the India. Takshashila, Nalanda, Midula, Kandalur Shala, etc. Many textbooks and theories came out from those universities. All subjects in the world were taught there. At that time, India developed 64 art forms. The art forms are Geetham or vocal, Vadyam or instrumental music, Nirtam or dance, Natyam or acting, Chitram or painting, Achunirmanam or mold making, Pushpanirmanam or artificial flower making, Pumatta Rajana or flower bed making, Dehalangradam or body decoration or tattoo art, Grihalangaram or house decoration, Shayya Nirmanam or bed making, Jalataranga Vadyam or water wave musical instruments, Jalavadyam or water based musical instrument, Vivudha Vastradharanam or different costumes or fancy dress, Mala Korkal or necklace making, Mudigattal or hair loss, Vastradharanam or dress wearing art, Karnapushana Nirmanam or earring making, Sugandha Pushpa Sanchayanam or accumulation of aromatic flower arrangement, Alankrita Haram or decorating flower necklace making, Indrajalam or magic, Bhangigaranam or beautification, Karashujigaranam or hand cleaning, Palahara Nirmanam or confectionery or dessert making, Paniya Nirmanam or beverage production, tailoring or seeing practice, Valanettu or weaving different types of net, Kadankada or making and asking the riddle, Akshara Slokam or sloka chanting start with the second alphabet of second line, Ardha Visidhigaranam or explanation of meaning, Grantha Parayanam or book reading, Nadaka Darshanam or theatrical philosophy, Samasya Puranam or knowledge of problem solving, Chural Kattil Nirmanam or furniture making with bamboo, Asharipani or carpentry, Tarkam or science of dispute, Vastu Vidya or architecture, then knowledge of inspection of gold and gems, then Dhatu Samskaranam or mineral processing, understanding the color and the quality of gems, then Khani Parikshanam or knowledge of mining experiments, Vrikshayurveda Yoga or treatment of trees and plants, Kozhipore or cockfighting, Kilimuri or technique of speaking practice of birds, then Tirumal or technique of massaging, Kesha Prakshalanam or hair cleansing, Akshara Mushtika Kadanam or storytelling with action, Videsha Bhasha Padanam, study of foreign languages, Desha Bhasha Padanam, study of local languages, Bhavikala Pravajanam, future forecasting, Yandra Nirmanam, construction of machines, Smarana Shakti Poshanam, development of memory power, Kettu Padam, learning through hearing, Nimisha Kavanam, knowledge of poem making with moments, Kriya Vikalpam or science and study of verbs, Kapada Bhavam, creating hypocrisy, Chandojnanam or knowledge of poetry making theories, Vastra Gopanam or dress hiding game, ചൂതുകളി or gambling, പകിടകളി or dice games, ബാലകളി or game for children, വിനയാചാരക്രമം, humility and custom, വൈതാളിക വിദ്യാജ്ഞാനം or knowledge of satire and comedy making. 64. കാര്യഗ്രഹണം or perception or understanding the real matter. These are the 64 art forms of Indian art theory. Thank you. Thank you very much.
For more videos, press the bell button, subscribe the channel.